Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Otaku Corner, where the power is currently out in my house on the day I decide to film. So my apologies for the kind of sparse lighting. I'm trying to work with what we got. I have the natural light right there, and then I have a mirror which I'm trying to use to reflect that natural light. So yes, anyways, manga haul, here we go. March ended like a little bit ago, last week or something. And February was a while back, and I never did my haul for February. So this haul is like February/March. Either way, it's kind of bad. It was a bigger haul. It's these ones plus this shelf, which is double stacked. So before we get into some recommendations, let's crack into that manga montage, shall we? Okay, so I hoped you enjoyed the manga montage. It was a little different because I am running out of space to do my regular one, so I hope that was cheeky. Anyways, let's crack into some recommendations. So first off, we have Love of Kill. This is volume 1, and as soon as, you know, I finished volume 1, as you saw in the montage, we got the other volumes. I think I'm missing volume 4 right now. We have out till volume 6. And it is about this girl, and she works for like a company like the CIA, FBI, and she needs to get these, you know, criminals and whatnot. But she kind of has like a side help, and it's this guy, and he like does like freelance assassinations or whatever, kind of. He works on his own schedule, and he like gets them for her in exchange for going out on dates, which does kind of sound of forceful and stuff, but like it's actually really cute. And volume 1 leaves us on a flippin' dippin' cliffhanger. So yeah, it is, I don't think it's like super graphic. I mean, it definitely, you know, has like the blood splat, but it is really cute, and I want to see if they're like love blossoms and stuff. It looks really sweet. I really enjoyed the first volume. I've only read the first volume. I've purchased the other ones, but I just haven't had time to read the other ones. But yes, that was really good. There's a lot of romance to get through this month, or from this month in February. Anyways, next up we have I'm a Wolf But My Boss Is a Sheep. Loving these long titles. I cannot wait for volume 2 for this series. Unfortunately, it doesn't come out for like months or something. It was like gonna come out in September, and I'm like, why do you do this? I'm like, I love when publishers and artists, like, they release the first one and then they almost have like 2 and 3 come out back to back, and then they make us suffer with long waits. I think that's how it should be, like really get us hooked. I'm like, then again, this was really well written, the first one, and I'm hooked and I will wait. So, but basically his entire department is full of sheep and like animal instincts and all that, you know, like rawr, want to bite into it. but it is so wholesome and so pure, and like, oh my gosh, look at him. Look how pure he is. Oh my gosh, he just has a huge crush on his sheep boss, and she is super, super cute. If you don't mind animal characteristics and you like romance, I cannot wait to see where this goes. It is super cute. It's different from anything I have. Probably because I don't own anything with animal characteristics currently. Yeah, I don't think I do. Oh, well, I guess the King's Beast would count, but this is really, really cute. I recommend. Next up, this is a BL, so if you want to move past, just a heads up. For those who don't, this is so wholesome and kind of saucy in some parts. This is the continuation to Deco Boko Sweet Days or something. Hold on. It's the continuation of this one. Deco Boko Sugar Days. They actually decided to continue it, which is really, really cool. And I'm so happy with how it ended. And it is so wholesome and so sweet. And it's pink, and the first one was blue. So yes, it is not a one-shot. I think you could probably read just the one, but if you haven't read the first one and only have this one, read this one. It's so cute. I loved this though. It is a continuation of the first one. So, you know, after their childhood friendship had blossomed into love, you know, now they're gonna have to figure out what's coming up in the future. Like, what's the tea? Are they gonna continue dating after high school? Is someone going away to study? Who knows? I'm not gonna give away any spoilers. It's just really good, and I think y'all should read it if you've read volume 1. Or I guess it wasn't really volume 1, it's just a continuation. It's like Restart After Winter. They made a second one called Restart After Growing Hungry, which I also loved, but that's not unfortunately in our top recommendations today. But it is in this pile somewhere. But anyways, I digress. I highly recommend that one though. Next up, we have Penguin and House. Now, I'm not generally drawn towards comedy-based manga. As many of you know who come here for the manga videos, for the Otaku Corner, I am a strong romance kind of gal, which is why I finally caved and I have the entire Fruits Basket series now in my April haul. As you can kind of see the start over there, I will have volume 9. But anyways, I love romance. This was really different from what I'd normally read, but I loved it. It was so funny and so cute. And basically it's about this guy, and he has a penguin. As you can see there, this is Pen-chan. And he has the penguin that like does all the housework and stuff. And then, so like here, for an example, a fun little one. So the penguin spent all day cleaning, and he was like so proud, and then he had a little like dream coming, his like master coming home saying like, oh man, you did so good, and giving hugs. Instead, he wakes up to like a completely dirty filled room because the guy came back from like a baseball game full of mud, and he's just like dunned face. But it's so cute. It's freaking hilarious. Oh my gosh, look, right there it is. So there's his friend coming back, and then there's his like, oh my god, I spent all day cleaning face. It's so funny. I love it. It's freaking hilarious. If you want a good laugh, I recommend this one, and I think volume 2 is already out. It is a new series, but yeah, it's really funny and really cute, so I recommend. And last but not least is actually a small series that I binged over the weekend, and we love. It's great. I got it on a whim, and we love it. And that is I'm the Villainess, So I'm Taming the Final Boss, and it is a little baby 3-part series. Ooh, yes. So cute. Yes, and I like that it's pink. And it was really cute. So she wakes up as like the villainess in an Otome game, and so she's like, you know, remembering the game, and she's like, okay, this is what happens at this point. I'm gonna die in 3 months. We want to prevent that. So she goes and like makes the final boss guy fall in love with her. I'm always pretty skeptical with short series. I didn't realize that volume 3 was gonna be the end. However, I am pleasantly surprised to say that not only did the story progress really well, all the information was laid out, they had the climax and then the end. It was done in like a timely manner. It didn't feel like, okay, too much information and then drama, back down, end. It was like, you know, it was doing its thing and then it had the climax and then it ended. The only thing I will say is that I was like a little disappointed, like I didn't get like a wedding scene. Spoilers. Anyways, it's really good. I am excited to read it again. I would highly recommend, because it is really a nice, easy little get-through series. So, yeah, that's the tea. Alright guys, well that is it for this March / a little bit of February manga haul. As always, if you have any recommendations, leave those in the comments below because I add them to a list and I am slowly but surely getting through them. Fruits Basket was on the list. I have Requiem of the Rose King, which is on the list. I had Lovesick Ellie, which was on the list as well from a while ago. So anyways, I look at them, I read them, I love them, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!